Hello, welcome back to my channel. Look what I got today. I wonder if I'm like the last person to get theirs. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but it wasn't. Anyway, here's the colors on the box. They look very vibrant and pretty. I have avoided spoilers at all cost, and I'm hoping I like this box as much as people are saying how good it is. So here we go. Oh, I don't want to see. Oh, that's fancy. This is the free gift. Let me take these out. There's the file and the alcohol prep pad. We'll put off to the side. Put this off to the side. So, earrings. Oh, you know what? I saw something. It didn't even dawn on me. I did see this and I thought, oh, I've never seen those earrings before. Wow, these are pretty. Huh. They're like a acrylic. Is that what that's called? Wow, these are really pretty. Post earrings. They're not clip-on. Whoops. Well, that came off really easy. Huh. Anyway, those are pretty. And the box even. I mean, it's a little fancy. Made in China, though. And, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sets. Whoa. Okay, ready? We've got Fierce Florals, which is a double-sided. You can either wear it as a regular a regular strip or a French Fierce Florals. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? How gorgeous. Whoa. This is so pretty. Lots of design there. I probably wouldn't wear it as a French. I'd want the whole strip. It's got glitter in there. I don't know if you can, yeah. You can see a little, wow, that's really pretty. Ooh, really pretty. Hibiscus Heat. Hibiscus Heat, regular. These are all full. Ready? Whoa, that kind of reminds me of, what is it, LA Dreams? I have one, but I would have to search to get it out. Bright pink with all this, it's like square glitter, hollow. Is it hollow glitter? Or just pinks and blue? I think it's hollow glitter. I feel like I see a shadow on here. It does make me want to get LA Dreams out though. There's that one. Sun-Kissed. It's a full set. Sun-Kissed. Ready? Orange with chunky glitter and micro glitter. Wow. It's a lot of glitter here. Wow. That's gorgeous. Cherry Sizzle. Another full set. Ready? Okay, this color I really like with the glitter. It's very red. Cherry red. Or like an apple red. Wow. This one's got round glitters. Maybe octagon glitter? looks like it. Hollow. Oh, red glitter. I don't know if you can see it in there. That red. Ooh, wow. Wow. And the last one is Tropical Twilight, a French double-ended or dual-ended, regular or French. Oh, this looks familiar. Like a couple different sets. It's got a shimmer to it. It is pretty. Lavender. Interesting. Well, these are really pretty vibrant. Oh my goodness, these are super pretty. Super pretty. I think this one that kind of resembles LA Dreams is more purple than pink. Like it has a purple draw to it. Let me see if I can get to my LA Dreams. Easily. Hold on. Okay. I know it's a big package. I thought. Oh, it's not. Oh. Huh. And I just happened to. Oh yeah, it's not the same. But when you're looking, it's more of a bright pink. More bright. I like that. Okay, so that is the subscription box for June. Gorgeous. There's this Hot Tropics. There's a description. There's nothing really special. Like, none of them are, you know, clear overlays. But, you know, the earrings match the box. The colors are pretty much what the box is showing. And here's the little samples of, or examples of manis that you can do in case you need a little help. Oh, glows in a black light, cherry sizzle, and sun-kissed. Cherry sizzle, sun-kissed, gold, and holographic. Doesn't say. Savor the heat with fiery cherry, red, purple, and white glitter. Oh, glows in black light. Interesting. Wow. Pretty. I'm not really around black light much, but maybe somebody is. Maybe if you go out. Do people still go out dancing to bars? I don't even know. I haven't been for so many years, it's not even funny. Maybe that's a good thing. Anyway, there it is. I think these are all gorgeous. This is really pretty. I'm not a huge glitter and chunky glitter fan, but we'll see. I try to change my ways. So we shall see. I do love these colors. I think they're gorgeous. And all right, that is it. And I will see you next time. Ciao.